Can you handle the truth? Uh, Yellowjackets is about to take us on a wild ride, and it's going to get a whole lot darker. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button for more exciting content. Thanks. If you're a fan of psychological horror, you're probably already hooked on Yellowjackets. The show's creators, Ashley Lyle and Bart Nickerson, have promised that season 3 will be even more intense, and we can't wait to see what's in store. The story follows a group of women who survived a plane crash in the wilderness, and the aftermath is just as haunting as the incident itself. With the tragic death of adult Natalie at the end of season 2, the remaining characters are in for a tough journey as they delve deeper into the mystery. Lyle and Nickerson have given us a sneak peek into the new season, and it's clear that the relationships between the characters will be put to the test. And Misty, in particular, is struggling to come to terms with Natalie's demise, and its effects will be felt throughout the group. One of the strengths of the show is its authentic portrayal of complex relationships, and this season will be no exception. The creators have promised to explore the characters' past experiences and the fractured bonds between them. But this season is maybe even more twisted than the last. Lyle has hinted that the cannibalism secret has been revealed, and things are about to get a whole lot darker. The show's use of 2 timelines is also worth noting. The makers have skillfully woven together the past and present, creating a sense of tension and suspense that keeps viewers on the edge of their seats. So what can we expect from season 3? And the creators have been tight-lipped about the details, but we do know that it's going to be a wild ride, with the new season debuting on February 14. We don't have to wait much longer to find out. And on a lighter note, why did the cannibal go to the party? Because he was a sucker for a good time? Okay, maybe that one was a bit of a stretch. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.